Welcome to this lecture on character movement and jump setup. Let's get started. In the BP character event graph, delete these two nodes. In the event begin play nodes, whenever the game begins, it executes. Right click in the event graph and search for get controller. Select this get controller under the pawn. From the output pin of get controller, drag off and search for cost to player controller. Attach the pin from event begin player to cast to player controller. From as player controller, drag off and search for enhanced input local player subsystem. From enhanced input subsystem, search for is valid with question mark. If the subsystem is valid, then we'll add mapping context to our player character class. So from enhanced input local player subsystem, search for add mapping context attached to is valid node. In the mapping context, select IMC default that we have created. Now the enhanced input player subsystem is assigned to our character. Right click and search for IA move. The input action that we have created, select IA move input action. Select the drop down arrow. There are two pins that is triggered and started. The trigger pin is executed continuously when we press the button, and started pin executes whenever the key is pressed. From the triggered pin, drag off and search for add movement input. Go to the viewport, select sprite, and you can see that whenever the character moves, the values in x-axis changes. It means that the character moves in x-axis direction. You can see that the value is changing in the x-axis. So in the event graph, in world direction, we will set the direction for x is 1. If the character is moving in right direction, the value will be 1. If moving in left direction, the value will be -1. If you go to the input action, you can see that we have set the value type to 1D. It means that it will give two values, +1 and -1 in x direction. So attach the action value to the scale value, hit compile and save, go to the level 1, hit play, click in the viewport, and using A and D key, our character is moving. Nice. From the triggered pin, search for print string and drag off from action value, attach it to the in string, hit compile and save, hit play. When we move the character in the right direction, the value is 1. And when we move our character in the left direction, you can see that the value is -1. Make some room and right click in the event graph and search for IA jump input action that we have created. Here is IA jump. Select enhanced input action event jump. Select the drop down arrow. From the triggered pin, search for jump. There is a pre-made node in the character class that is used for jump. Select the jump. Whenever the jump action completed, from the completed pin, search for stop jumping. Then the character will stop jump. Hit compile and save. Hit play and press spacebar. Now our character is jumping. Nice. Go to the character blueprint, select BP character and search for jump count. Jump max count change its value to 2. Then our character have ability of double jump. When you press spacebar twice, then our character will jump twice. The jump height is not as much as we want, so go back into the BP character and search for jump Z velocity. Change its value to 420 centimeter per second or 4.2 meter per second to 6 meter per second. That is 600 centimeter per second. So the height for jump is changed. We hit play, then our character is jumping higher than the previous value. My complete Unreal Engine 5 Android mobile game development course on Udemy website. Link in the description. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe and press bell icon to get regular updates.